Hello, denim enthusiasts. Welcome back to today's Denim, your go-to channel for all things DIY and denim. We're thrilled to have you back and hope you're ready for our latest featured video. In today's video, we're going to be tackling one of the most requested projects from our viewers: how to turn your old denim jacket into a trendy and unique piece of clothing. We know many of you have a denim jacket that's been sitting in your closet for years, and it's time to give it a new lease on life. Our expert DIY guru will take you step by step through the process of transforming your jacket into a work of art. From distressing and cutting to embellishing and adding patches, you'll learn all the tips and tricks to create a personalized denim jacket that will turn heads. We'll be using a variety of techniques, including sewing, painting, and even a little bit of embroidery. And don't worry if you're not a master seamstress, we'll break down each step in an easy-to-follow manner, so you can create your very own denim masterpiece. But that's not all. We also have some exciting news for our subscribers. We're hosting a denim jacket upcycling contest, and the winner will receive a special prize. All you have to do is follow the instructions in the video, create your own jacket, and share it with us on social media using the hashtag #Today'sDenimContest. We can't wait to see what you come up with. So, whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, this video is perfect for anyone looking to add some personal style to their wardrobe. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming projects. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy creating your own one-of-a-kind denim jacket. Don't forget to share your creations with us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.